Joan of Arc. I'm whispering. Nagahutik lang ko. Hutik whisper. Because I am right here in an art installation here at Gallery Pompidu. It's an amazing installation. And we just whisper, hutik lang, hutik, hutik, hutik. Kabatik mo. Do you hear it? Bataan. Bataan mo. Bataan. Nabagaw. Nabagaw. Puro earphones. Katawang installation. Wala na gawin niya. Na-amaze ko di. Dugay di ko di. Batian nyo. Pambatian basi hinay. Hinay. The volume is low. So we're keeping it low. Hinay lang. The opposite of that would be loud, which is tunog. But I can't loud here. We're just enjoying the installation. Mega kanta naman. Sige na. Do mga kikik. Subong naman niya do. Hago. Do kanta. Ya kanta. Ayos ah. Ka-magical. Mabatian mga sounds. Ayos. Grabe mga wires. In that. Huwag namin igda. Batian nyo. Yes. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Batian nyo. In Ilonggo, bati is here. Nabatian nyo. Can you hear? Or have you heard? Kapamati ka mo. Are you listening? Wow, amazing. Amazing sound installation. Tigas. Tigas is like our Ilonggo slang for awesome. Awesome. It's a very surreal experience. Puro earphones. Yan yun. Sabay pa nga mabatian nyo. This is Joan of Arc at Gallery Pompidu in Paris.